There's one. There's two.
Quit that yelling, you're gonna wake up the Kennards.
Sorry. Hello there, ladies and gentlemen. I'd like to welcome you all to the DeadFiend channel, where I am Vito, known as Dr. Frankenstein here. And today I'm going to be doing a first ever unboxing video on the channel. This is a video that I've been anticipating on doing for quite some time now, let me tell you. And if you can't tell by the title of this video, what will I be unboxing? I'm going to be unboxing a Michael Myers mask from the Halloween movies. But it's not just any old Michael Myers mask. You can't go to a store and pick this up. I ordered this from an independent artist by the name of Mulpagano. Now Nick, if you're watching this, if I didn't pronounce your name right, I do sincerely apologize. I'm not exactly the greatest when it comes to pronunciations, but I'm gonna try. Now, Nick is the owner and creator of HandiboyStudios.com. When it comes to handy, that is with an I, not a Y. Go to HandiboyStudios.com and you'll find everything that you need in order to purchase one of these masks, and as far as contacting him as well. Now, I will say, you know, this is not the only thing that he specializes in. If you're into making life-size display mannequins, he does neck pieces, eye inserts, silicone hands, and I do believe he does feet too. That way you can make your life-size mannequin really pop. Now, there was a disclaimer on his website. Now, don't expect this mask in a couple weeks. And I believe the website said anywhere from like 6 to 7 months, maybe a little bit longer. Now, with given circumstances and the pandemic going on in the world right now, I did wait roughly about 13 to 14 months, but you know what, that's okay. I am not complaining one bit. Nick is the artist here, and I would rather him take his time and perfect his craft and then send it out when he's ready. And a couple days ago, this beautiful little box right here, I found outside, sitting in a chair on my front porch. Now, prior to that, I heard heavy, heavy footsteps, followed by a slam of the front door that I did not appreciate very much, Mr. Postman, because I was in the middle of my beauty sleep, and you woke me up. That's okay, because I woke up to the best surprise I've ever waken up to in quite some time. Yeah, it's even better than Folgers in my cup. Alright, and then when I seen that little pumpkin right up there at the top, in the box up here, I knew things were about to get real. Now I will leave all the information that you need if you would like to purchase one of these masks or simply contact Nick. All the information you will need, it will be in the description box down below. So I'm going to ask you kindly to refrain from commenting how to reach out to this person or where can I purchase one of these masks. Like I said, all the information you'll need will be in the description box down below. And also, another thing I would like to state about Nick, the one thing I really admire about him, on his Facebook page, he is very interactive with his following base. He's always posting pictures and videos and informing people if they're on the list to receive a mask. He does a post, he tags them in them, it's time. That way the purchaser knows that they shall be receiving it here soon. And also he does like contests and bids and stuff like that, and gives you the opportunity to win an item that he's bidding off.
Hey everyone, Nick here with this week's auction item, and yeah, it's another Halloween picture book study guide. Now, the images are covered under the fair use doctrine in the United States of America for purposes of literary analysis and or criticism only. So, if you think you cannot use this book for entertaining yourself, do not have fun while looking at the pictures in this book. It's only for criticism and study and analysis.
And so happens to be, I do believe, I did win one of his biddings. And that item should be inside this box, along with one other item that he sent with it as well, to sweeten up the pot. And also, I gotta say, Nick, you've got the cutest dog I have ever seen in the world, little old Miss Poopsie Pie. Now, I'm not sure what breed she is. I want to say Shih Tzu, correct me if I'm wrong. But just look. Now, you cannot tell me that is not the cutest dog you've ever seen in your whole life. He's so cute. Looky. Oh, I just want to pet her and give her lots of lovins. Nick, please give little old Miss Poopsie Pie a big old hug for me. I would appreciate that very much. Alright, ladies and germs, enough of my yakking. This is the moment that I've been waiting for. I'm ready to break into this box and show you what's inside. And if you don't mind me, I'm gonna grab this knife right now. And also, as you can see, I got the classic 1978, followed by another 78 that turned into a 2018 pumpkin. That's another thing that Nick specializes in too. I believe it's a resin pumpkin, but he makes the 1978 and the 2018 pumpkins, the one where it looks like it's deteriorating. Very, very cool. I wanted to get one and purchase one, but I didn't have enough money at the time. But that might be something to look forward to later down the road. Alright. I got the knife. I got the goods. Time to put my Michael Myers instincts to the test. And I want to be careful here. I don't want to actually break into the box, damaging any items. So, just a little. Ah, yeah. Just like butter. Now we get the other side. Ah, yeah. There you go. This way. Yeah. Oh. There's one. There's two. Oh. 3 and 4. I'm not shouting out of anger, I'm shouting out of excitement. Alright, the first thing that we see up top is a little placard card. It says Handiboy Studios presents the Nichols Hardware Killer, NHK. Thanks, Nick Mulpagano of Handiboy Studios. Very cool, very cool. And it's got information on the back of it on how to take care of your mask. Very cool, very cool. There's a little bit of a close-up on how well you can see that or not. Come over here. There we go. And I just thought of something. How stupid of me. I did all that yakking and forgot to tell you the name of this mask. Well, now you know. But this is the NHK. That's abbreviated for Nichols Hardware Killer. Alright, I'll set you off to the side right now. Oh, we got another card. Handiboy.com. It's mask time. Masks, mask accessories, stands, hands, mask making DVDs, and more. Artist Nick Mulpagano at elvisecho@aol.com. Thanks, Don. Nick Mulpagano. Very cool. Very cool. I'm a little shaky. I'm a little nervous. I just got a sneak peek at it. Oh, look at you. Okay, it's at the bottom. We're gonna do the mask last. One. Set that up to the side. Hey, there it is. Did he give me a toy? He gave me a toy! Ah, that's cool. Mr. Cool. For those that don't know, Snoopy. From the Peanuts. That is very cool, Nick. Thank you. Oh, that's neat. That is neat. And talking about Charlie Brown, did you see that they're not going to play the Charlie Brown the Great Pumpkin this year? Like the first time in, what did it say, 45, 50 years or something like that? I'm like, what kind of is that? How can you not play that? That is such a classic. That's one thing I always look forward to each and every year when I was a kid. Okay, before we get to the goods, I want to set this off to the side. Alright. We got the little Peanuts toy. Mr. Joe Cool. Snoopy. Very cool. Alright, see what this picture is. Don. Woo! Nick Mulpagano. That is cool. That is very cool. There's a classic shot there of the one and only Sir Michael Myers. The balcony scene. And the picture has been enhanced also. Now the ones that you see online are just a black and white photo. This one's been enhanced with color, where you can see the flesh tone into the neck and a little bit of brown in the hair. That is cool. That's definitely getting framed right there. That's definitely getting framed. All right. Now this is the item that I won in one of his auctions, his biddings. Make sure there wasn't anything else in there. No, okay. Shut you off right now. Now this right here is the Halloween picture book study guide. Now, if I heard right in one of his videos, this is not for entertainment purposes only. This is for educational use. And I don't know the specifics behind it.
Now, the images are covered under the fair use doctrine in the United States of America for purposes of literary analysis and or criticism only.
But I tend to follow those guidelines. This would be a really good piece to put on like the coffee table display and people can check it out. The Halloween Picture Book Study Guide. That is really cool. The classic Nick Castle with the Dr. Pepper can. And then the needle into the neck. Dick Warlock with the Coca-Cola. Ah, that's so cool. That's so cool. Ooh. Classic low shot. There we go. That's like a dating profile picture. Yeah, my name's Michael Myers. I'm the strong and silent type. I can't remember what that nurse's is, but what her name is. But when Dick Warlock puts that syringe needle into her temple and injects an air bubble. Ooh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Very, very, very cool. And there's the trio. Dick Warlock, Jamie Lee Curtis, Sir Donald Pleasance. Can you believe it? October 5th, he would have been 101 years old. That's crazy. 101 years old. I believe, 1919 was the year he was born, Donald Pleasance? That's cool. Very cool. Ah, the schoolyard scene. What's his name? Lonnie? Is that his name? Yeah. And Dick Warlock right there in the back of the Haddonfield Memorial with the Coca-Cola can. Yeah. And the kitchen scene when Nick busts through the kitchen door to get Lori. Ah, yeah. There we go. Classic blood tears right there. Oh, that's so cool. So cool. Hello, operator. Contact me through the nearest pizza place. I've got a craving. Classic balcony scene right there. Dr. Mixter, was that his name? And then we end it with the end. When Michael tries to stab Lori when he's hiding behind the couch. And Lori gets him with the knitting needle. And that was the Halloween Picture Book Study Guide. Very cool, Nick. Thank you so much. Oh man, I remember when I first started following you. It was a couple weeks afterwards. You put one of these for auction, and I tried so hard to win that item. Somebody beat me to it. That's okay. This is the extra item that you sent with it. What'd you say? It was a tumbler? A tumbler? Very cool, because I actually need a new tumbler. The one I have, I accidentally dropped, and it's starting to leak everywhere. But, that's okay. I cannot talk for nothing today. Man. Anyway, that's OBK. Here we go. That's okay. Because that one was a Halloween Resurrection tumbler. Ooh. Very Very cool. Now, if I remember right, he said this was a custom tumbler. You're not going to find this in stores. But Michael Myers all the way around it. Then it has a pumpkin there with the number 13 in it. That's a very heavy-duty tumbler, too. Very cool. Oh, hey. Uh-huh. Cool. Very cool. Oh, I'm so excited. Man. I feel like a kid on Christmas morning. Alright. Now I come to the moment that I've been waiting for quite some time now. The actual unboxing of the NHK Nichols Hardware Killer Mask by Sir Nick Mulpagano. I don't know if you can see that or not. Yeah, I've got goosebumps right now. Oh, man. Nick, you're playing with my emotions right now. Oh, God. Oh, man. Oh, that's absolutely beautiful, Nick. Oh my goodness. And the amount of detail. Oh. Woo. Oh. Nick, you're giving me goosebumps, man. Oh. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. The Nichols Hardware Killer. Oh my goodness, Nick, I love it. I absolutely love it. Oh my goodness. I'm blown away by all the detail that's in this mask. You know, as far as the hair, the shading, weathering, the flesh tone, you know, the lips, the nose. Hold on a second. Let's put this guy up on a stand. Now, if I remember right, I think he said this mask was a 25, or was it a 25 and a half? Now, I know it's not going to fit my head. It will, but it'll be tight. But that's okay, because I'm going to try it on one time, and then I'm going to display it in my glass case. For this is my holy grail. Oh my God. Oh man. Oh my goodness, Nick. I don't know what to say. You've got me speechless. Oh, be careful. here. And that's a thick mask too. Man. There we go. There we go. Get a little side shot. Behind the mask. The other side. Finally, we'll bring the brown town around here. Now, like I said, you know, I looked around on various websites, michaelmyers.net, Facebook, Instagram, different forum boards, YouTube videos. And when I stumbled across Scott Kennards' video of him unboxing the NHK, and he showed it off and displayed it, that's when I knew this was the mask. This is the mask that I've been looking for quite some time. Because to me, when he was showing it off, you know, different lighting techniques, different angles, and it screamed Michael Myers from every angle. And granted, I gotta stuff it, you know. And man, well, I don't have to really mess with the hair too much, but that's my only weakness. I cannot style hair for nothing, so I keep mine short. Nick, I cannot thank you enough for your time, your hard work, and dedication into the Michael Myers mask. You're definitely a mask. You are definitely a jack of all trades and a master of your craft. That is for sure. Oh my goodness. Isn't he beautiful? Isn't he beautiful?
Yeah, he's beautiful. My hair on the head.
Yeah? It's old Daddy-O in the background right there. Say hello, Daddy-O.
Hello, Daddy-O.
He's sitting there behind the camera while I talk to everyone in front of the camera. He's doing a little behind the scenes. Oh, man.
There's someone behind the screen looking at you.
Huh? Oh! It's all Jamie Lee Curtis. Well, Miss Laura Strode. Alright, this video is going on roughly 30 minutes long right now. I think this is where we call it quits. And again, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to thank you all for tuning in for the unboxing of the NHK Nichols Hardware Killer, sculpted and created. Alright now, ladies and gentlemen, I do believe this is where I'm going to wrap it up. I'd like to thank you all for tuning in to the first unboxing here on the channel. Unboxing of the NHK Nichols Hardware Killer, sculpted and created by Sir Nick Mulpagano. Nick, thank you again so much. It has been more than well worth the wait.